Let's practice together. For around 10 minutes, a short meditation. We'll meditate on the breath. So allow the eyes to gently close. And just come to stillness for a moment. If you have any urges to move the body, do so now. Get comfortable and settle into stillness. And as you breathe out, send a wave of awareness from the top of the head down to the soles of the feet with each out-breath. And see if you can connect to a relaxing quality, softening as your awareness touches each point on the out-breath. So relaxing the face, shoulders, arms and hands, torso, legs and feet. And then with eyes closed, to look ever so slightly downwards towards an imaginary point near the tip of the nose. Don't strain the eyes. And fixing your eyes this way will help you to fix your mind on the breath. And see if you can connect to air coming in and out of the nose. And can you feel that towards the tip of the nose? Around the rims of the nostrils? Or towards the back, where the nostril and the upper lip meet? Then just station your attention wherever you find that point to be. Allowing the breath to come in and out over this point. So you're feeling the slow drift of air over a single point. and trying to stay there, but you will inevitably be pulled away. You'll be pulled away into thinking and planning. When you notice that's happened, just say in your mind, thinking, thinking. And then return, placing your attention back onto the breath. Doing all of this without struggle, letting go of any battles you might find in the mind. And do all of this with the best sense of ease that you can. Trying not to struggle and fight with the mind. Just gently coaxing it back over and over again. And bring in the meditation to a close now. So without rushing off, just move the body, ease any discomfort, and allow the eyes to open slowly. I hope you enjoyed that. I've got a free 5-day course. Start day 1 here, and it will teach you how to use meditation to help with difficult life circumstances.